Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by planning maintenance. Replace the cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year for typical driving. Check your owner manual for the exact part number and verify the filter size. Many Civics use a filter about 5 by 7, 5 by 1 inches. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and remove keys. Gather tools, Phillips screwdriver, a soft flashlight, disposable gloves, and the new filter. Wear a mask if open the glove box and empty its contents. Press the side tabs in and lower the glove box until the glove stop arm detaches. Unclip the two filter cover tabs by hand or with a small screwdriver and carefully pull the old filter straight out to avoid scattering debris. Note the arrow on the old filter showing airflow direction. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing toward the cabin. Reattach the cover, snap the glove stop arm back into place, close the glove box, and secure any screws you removed. After installation, inspect the filter housing for debris or mold. If you find mold, clean the housing with a 50 water and vinegar solution and dry fully before installing the new filter. Start the car and run the fan on low to verify proper airflow and to check for unusual noises. Record the replacement date and mileage, for example 500 miles, in your maintenance log or car app. If you tow, drive in dusty conditions, or carry pets often, change the filter every 6,000 to 7,500 miles instead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.